So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to discuss about persistent system offer of employment at persistent system offer of employment at persistent systems. Okay, so as few students they received the offer. Okay, a few students they received the offer letter. So persistent they sent a mail to all selected students. They sent a mail, and in the mail they mentioned the username, their mail ID, and also the password. Okay, they need to use the forget password link to receive the a new password to log in and to download their offer letter. Okay, so even they are mentioned like a help desk, the person. Okay, to if suppose if you have any query, so they can contact to the particular mail ID from where they are received the mail. Okay, so this offer, okay, the important note is that so this offer stands valid, okay, subject to the positive reference by your current employer. Okay, so here this offer that stands valid subject to the positive reference by your current employer. And the students can download their offer letter, and they can find what is the salary structure and all. Okay, so as they are providing a role of software engineer. Okay, the role is software engineer role for the base package. Okay, and as you know, the salary, the CTC, the annual cost to company, the CTC will be exactly 4,71,008 rupees. So this is your CTC. Those who are selected, okay, those who are selected, their CTC is 4,71,008, and the annual gross salary will be 4,30,008. So this is the gross salary. Okay, and also they are mentioned all the details, the work location, increments and probation period. Okay, the notice period and all. So everything they are given in the offer letter. And the salary, like the in hand salary, that is monthly salary for monthly salary for this 21-22 batch student, it is 31,778 rupees. Okay, so this is the monthly salary. Okay, so this 31,778 into 12, so 3,81,336. This is the direct money, the salary they are getting. Okay, but along with that, there is a company performance bonus per month. Okay, and the 10% of gross salary, like there is a 43,000 they are getting monthly. Okay, that is performance allowance, and also the gratuity will be like 4%. Okay, so total, if we consider the annual gross salary, okay, it is around 4,30,008 rupees. So that is the annual gross salary. And the CTC will be 4,71,000 by including all the, okay, this is the gross plus the insurance and food. Okay, insurance and food. So what is the total? 4,71,000. So around 32,000 the candidate is getting the in hand salary. Okay, so that is all about the student, those who are received, the student those who are received the offer letter, and few students are received and few students are still not received, so you can wait. Okay, you can wait. And Hardik has asked one question: I have given online HR assessment test, when I can expect result? Yeah, Hardik, you can wait for some time, because maybe they send immediately, and because now even some festivals are also there. So if you are completed HR assessment, means you are almost selected, you just wait it. And it is depend upon the college and the person who is handling the all the details. Okay, your process, recruitment process, because in some colleges, no, even the students also received the offer letter, they received the offer letter. Okay, so it is depend upon the college, it is depend upon the college. So you people have to wait. And Ria is asking, during interview I gave all correct answers, but test cases of my code won't run. Is any chance of selection? In a pattern code I wrote a wrong printf statement at last line. Okay, okay, so Ria, I think you are attempted a technical interview, right? So you are waiting for HR assessment. Am I right? You are waiting for the HR assessment, I think, as per my knowledge. Okay. So if you are waiting for this HR assessment and you have gone through the technical interview, and in the yeah, in a technical interview you are not okay. See, if suppose if they are given like two hands-on coding, and in that you are tried at least one with 100%, and also if the second question, if you are like, attempt should be there. Okay, there are chances are there, attempt should be there from your side. Okay, so attempt should be there and you are attempted it. And see, they mainly check that whether the student is having the basic concepts or not. Okay, so if there is a simple mistakes, then no problem. Okay, only one code is there, and you are okay with, if there is little mistake, no, if there is logic is correct, if the logic of a logic of the program, whatever you are written, if it is correct, then there is a chances are there. Okay, so you wait, definitely you will get a HR assessment link, or you will get a confirmation from your TPO. Okay, yeah, Ria, I understood. Okay, last line of my code was wrong. Okay, see, that's why they mainly focus on your logic, not your okay, because see, as we all are yeah, if logic was right, then you can expect 99%, as per my knowledge, you will get a selection mail. Okay, because I have seen that some of the students, they are even like they are unable to do the some code. Okay, unable to do, but they are like they are selected, they are finally selected. Okay, so see, you definitely they will give a chance, because what happened, no, as most of the companies, even as Infosys, still they are hiring for like 3.6 LPA, and off campus is going on, 3.6 LPA and 5 LPA. 5 LPA today only they released off campus for off campus for 2021 batch and 1920 batch. For these two batches, now the Infosys is conducting a recruitment test, that is for the 3 lakh and 3.6. And so the students, see, the normally no the students they get the offers from many companies, and they prefer, when joining time, no, they prefer for the high package company, whichever the company it is, whether it is a software or it is related to banking or any company. So what they do, a high package, so definitely they will offer you, don't worry, because the students, everyone now they are preferring at least 4 to 4.5, as most of the company they are providing, they are not getting the candidates. Okay, so you have a chance. In panic mode, I defined wrong answer of pointer, but other. Oops, DBMS, I have everything. Okay, so sure, Ria, don't worry. 100% chances are there. Your selection chances. हितेश पाटिल, रिया तुम्हें कौन सा पैटर्न पूछा था? Yeah, patterns. See, like as most few students they shared their experience. Like this is the one type of pattern. And even sometime I think you can go through some of my videos where you can find out various type of patterns. And also, if you do the one type of pattern, no, again they will tell you to make some changes. Okay, so you should have you clear concept about the pattern. 2021 batch also got 2021 batch. I'm not understood your question. 2021 batch, they are already doing, they are already working. 3 months back only they joined in persistent and they are working now. Okay, Nidhi, 2021 batch, they are already working in the persistent system company. Now their training is almost completed. Because मेरे इंटरव्यू बाकी है. Yeah, Hitesh, so don't miss the chance, Hitesh. It is a golden chance for product based company. You prepare for your interview. Okay, go and also attend the mock interview also with your project guide and all. Okay, you arrange a you just request them to attend the to arrange a mock interview. Okay, so simple yes. Okay, one two three, like, but it was my first interview, so yeah, that's why nervousness will be there first interview. And yeah, that's why, Hitesh, you just arrange one mock interview so that it will be helpful. So what happens now, even though you know the concept, but nervousness will be there, it is a human nature. So to avoid that, the main thing is that you just request your guide or your faculty to arrange a mock, so it will be helpful. And see, as most of the questions, as see your friends, those who are already gone through the process, they are like explained what type of questions they asked and all. You can just go through some of the videos in my description so that you'll get some idea. SQL is also very important. Database DBMS queries, database management concepts. Yeah, ENTC. Okay, ENTC student and my first interview. This. Thank you. Okay, great. You have done good job because as a ENTC student and you are attempted all the database concepts and your logic is also correct means definitely you will get a mail. Okay. Then promote. Yeah. Oops. These are some important subjects in technical interview. Even in the uh, higher package also they asked about OOPS concepts, database management system, operating system, computer network, and even some puzzles also they asked. Yeah, data structure also. Yeah, see, Hitesh, even many students from ENTC, electronics telecommunication, many students are selected. So what you do, you just focus on any of the programming language and simple hands-on, huh? You need to practice hands-on coding. Okay, like a palindrome of a number. Okay, count the occurrences of a character in a string. You try to list out some of the programs and try to practice it, and some these computer networking concept. Okay, database query concept. At least you should try because you have still have the time. Don't waste the time. So you just revise the concepts from Geeks for Geeks. Okay, Geeks for Geeks, that website is there. You can just go ahead and practice it. Yeah, yeah, promo. Yeah. This time, see, even for electronics students and electronics telecommunication. So these guys are also most of the students they are getting an opportunity in the software industry. Okay, so because as you people are having the electronics concepts, that is one advantage, plus computer like the CS subjects concepts. So you are having both electronics and computer programming concepts. So that's why they are preferring even for the mechanical like mechanical plus some software knowledge. Okay, so that is mechatronics. So you are having the electronics people. Okay, they don't miss this chance. And see, your training will be very easy as most of the students they are shared like their training was on core Java and advanced Java. See, still you people are having a time. Okay, the main thing is that the interviewer they will see whether the student is capable, whether he is a quick learner. Okay, so that is very important. Whether suppose, see, if you know the C language, C programming language, then definitely you can understand C++, Java, Python programming. Okay, so you can easily you can do this. Okay, so in the one of the mock interview, I interacted with one girl. Okay, I don't remember her name, and I think she's from Jharkhand. I think she's from Jharkhand. I had taken her mock interview, and she's also from the electronics telecommunication, and she's the one candidate from her college, and she's selected also from in persistent, I think, and she has gone through the hacker rank for the platform for the hacker rank for the practice of coding. Okay, so in the lockdown, she used to practice the coding in the hacker rank platform and lead code. Okay, so before going through these platform, okay, at least the simple programs you should know, simple programs. Okay, Because what happens, no, the some concept like even the prime number generation in the nervousness, even the such a programs also you can, some student they are unable to write prime number generation from 100 to 200, means the concept, but what happens, no, nervousness. Okay, in the nervousness it happens. Okay, so that skill you should develop. Okay, see, everyone is here, like we are all human being, we do mistakes and we should learn from the mistakes. And there is no, you are just appearing for the interview, it is not your last chance. Okay, this is not your last chance, this is your one opportunity. This is one your opportunity. You work hard to get that opportunity, and suppose if you are unable to get any selection mail, then you just think that you are having a better opportunity. Okay, you are having a better opportunity, better than the persistent. In that way you need to think. See, one example I can give you. Okay, in computer science department. Okay, one girl. Okay, she is not placed in any company till the last semester. She is not placed. Okay, uh, the end of the semester. Till the end of semester, she is not placed in any company. Okay, she is not placed. And her friends, okay, her friends are placed in Infosys, Persistent. Okay, in Persistent, and TCS, Cognizant. See, so and she was like frustrated as most of her friends are they placed. But what happened, no, that particular girl, okay, she attended one interview in the Dassault system. It was a company, Dassault system. It was through the some reference, means as very few students were there in the college. Okay, so very few students are left with the placement. And during the like during the placement, they asked departments to send some few students detail, few students who are good in the technically, those who are good. So the department faculty, they sent few names. And that time, means when the before the interview, before the test and all, the package was 3.5 LP. Okay, and she is selected only one candidate, around I think 7 to 8 candidates only they appeared. And it was the last company during in 2020 batch, last company. And the package was around 3.5 during her interview, and during the online test. And what happened, no, she got a offer. She got offer after 2 months. After 2 months. Okay, so in the offer letter it was mentioned 5 LP. It was mentioned as per the company rules. Okay, they are providing a for the newly recruited candidate also 5 LP. She attended interview for 3.5, but she got in the offer letter 5 LP. See, after this offer letter, after the 1 month or 15 days. Okay, see, okay, in the joining, while joining, she got one mail that they are providing 7.5 LP in Dassault company. They are providing the 7.5 LP. Okay, and she attended this company at the end of the semester. End of semester, only very few students were attended, and initially it was 3.5, but in the offer they mentioned 5. and in the joining they mentioned 7.5. So now at the final she is having 7.5 LPA, and her friends initially they got offer, initially they got and they enjoyed. What happens now once in the seventh semester, if you are placed, if you are placed no, in any company, okay, then that time you will be very relaxed, you will be very relaxed, you just think that nothing is there, now you are already, you got the job and all, you just relax, you will enjoy your life. Okay, but this such cases also it happens. So if you are not selected, if you are not selected, don't worry. Okay, just you think that something better is waiting for you, something better, better than the companies wherever you get rejection. Okay, so just keep in mind in the future also, whatever the task, okay, in the future also you should have that positive mindset. Okay, एक गया तो और एक आता है. Okay, so you should have the positive mindset whenever you want success in any company. If you are not selected, just think that if you are not selected, there is something better is waiting for you. It takes some time, because कैसा है, कुछ भी अच्छा होने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. It takes more time. Okay, कुछ अच्छा हो, अच्छा हमको, okay, to get something better, तो उसके लिए it requires more time. जो आसान में मिल जाता है ना, उसका वैल्यू नहीं रहता. We won't understand. Okay, so yeah, Ria is asking, some of my friends from my college, they just asked, introduce yourself and run the simple code, no question anything. Why this is so? No question to them. See, it is depend upon the interviewer. Okay, Ria, it is depend upon the interviewer. As interviewer, like they may just simply they attend the, they attend a interview. Okay, and they may select and they may reject also, those guys. Okay, you don't think that if they are not asked any question that indicates there is a selection. Okay, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Suppose उनको कुछ पूछा ही नहीं है. See, as you have mentioned, they asked about very very simple questions. Okay, it is depend on interviewer. Every interviewer perspective is different. Okay, in during the in a hurry time also, maybe he the interview may be busy with some work. Okay, so kaisa hai, in the company they will assign the few people to take a, like today you have to take a 10 interviews, 10 or 5 interviews. Okay, suppose if we consider 5 interview only, if they assign 5 interview, so for one person it will go 40 minutes. Okay, suppose, okay, in this way for five people, 200 minute, 200 minutes means how many, 3 hours, 3 hours with a break. If we consider कितना 4 hours चाहिए, 4 hours, if we take some breaks and all, at least 5 hours उनको spend करना पड़ेगा. Okay, they, so it is depend upon the interviewer. Sometimes they take it seriously, sometimes they ask very simple question. And don't think that if they ask simple question and your selection will be there. No, it is depend upon the interview. They may reject also. Okay, they may reject, it is depend it. And see, it is depend upon the luck also. See, okay, we cannot say anything. रिया इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पूछा था. Yeah, they ask questions based upon the project also, and your final year, you use, suppose if you are not planned anything for your final year project, so just make a plan on which technology you are using, and how did this, how your project that helps to the society. There should be some outcome, there should be some objective. ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ योर प्रोजेक्ट, आपका प्रोजेक्ट का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, क्यों कर रहे हो प्रोजेक्ट, what is the main objective of your project, that is very important. If without any objective, if you are doing any dummy project, then there is no use. Okay, even though if it is a very simple project, they mainly look on what technology you are using in that particular project. See, in the during the training, you know, in persistent training, okay, so they are giving the training on the technology, like web development, also full stack development, okay, web development concepts, then that is JavaScript, Angular, okay, and whatever the training they give, core Java, advanced Java, based on advanced Java, some advanced Java framework and all. So you need to apply, it was all basic, okay, and in the training you need to develop one mini project, you need to work on the a mini project, and whatever you are learned in this training, you need to apply to your mini project. Like for example, hotel management, in hotel management project, it is very simple. Hotel management, you need to apply whatever the skills you are learned. So in your project also, final year project also, try to choose such a topic so that you are doing your in your team, you people are working on the project, and think that the main objective, why you are selected that topic, why, what is the purpose of that topic, how it is useful to the society. Suppose electronic students means you can use the IoT based any application, okay, for agriculture like drone and all, okay, for the agriculture application, like to predict the, like through drone you can capture the image, okay, to for the prediction of diseases in the plant, in such a way, like the farmer, it your project will help to farmers. So in this way, at least you should have some prototype, because there are so many such projects are available in the websites, okay, like IoT and machine learning, okay, that you are using in the agriculture, or like the smart irrigation system by using the IoT, okay, such projects you should choose, okay. Hitesh, two programs and oops concepts only, yeah. They may ask one or two hands-on coding and oops concepts. Then how to deal if the interviewer is rude with us. See, Pramod, you have to deal with the interviewer. See, because the finally the job is required to us. You don't think whether they are rude or okay. See, it is depend upon everyone behavior is different. The main thing is that you have to be deal properly with them. Okay, you need to respond, means even they also check that how you respond to some like rude questions. If he is rude means it indicates like they sometimes they do some like they check your response, how you respond to those questions, okay. That's why no one is rude, it is depend upon the, like the situation, or you depend upon their mood, and sometimes also they do they test your response, how you respond. So don't you just remove from your mind like interviewer is rude and all. See, finally the job is required to you, okay. So you need to try to attempt the all the questions. It is up to you, up to the interviewer how it takes your responses. Yeah, database DBMS concept, simple C questions also they asked. One printing pattern questions and another question, okay. And that is pattern type questions, definitely they will ask, and even one coding questions, and prepare for DBMS, yes, yeah, acid properties and all, okay. It is very important in the database. At least you should have some concepts. Okay. Even they know like the candidate is from CSC or IT, because in the interviewer, suppose if you mention that you are from the electronics and ENTC, you can just mention it, and you don't take advantage of this. Okay, you should not take advantage of this, like of electronics. So if suppose if they ask any questions, and you should not say that I am from electronics, I am from ENTC. You don't say such things. इसका advantage मत लो, because see, you should show the interest that you are very much interested to work in a company. Okay, and you have some knowledge of programming. Okay, you have the knowledge of programming, then you have the knowledge of database concepts. तो उनको मालूम होना चाहिए कि मीन्स कैंडिडेट कैसा है. ओके, if they ask any questions, and if you tell like I am from electronics background, I am from ENTC, then you don't take the advantage. Okay, so they know like you are from electronics ENTC, but still you, if you are attempting those questions, no, that is a plus point for you people. Okay, if you are attending means it will be help. Okay, any idea about Capgemini interview, what questions they ask? Yeah, I think Capgemini and all, it is very easy compared to persistent, no. See, even for your batch, like 21, 22 batch, you people are very much lucky. Okay, because no, in persistent, as per my knowledge, persistent, it was very difficult difficult earlier days, and during the 1920 batch, and even 2020 batch also. They used to filter so many students, and the interview like 1920 batch, no, these students are attended face to face interview, and they I think they visit to the Pune campus. In Pune campus they visited, and the interview, like it is around 1 hour, 1 hour, or some people they attended the 2 hour also, the technical interview, and it is face to face interview, and they used to ask complete end to end project, end to end. As see, by seeing all this, no, you people are very lucky. 21, 22. Okay, 20, 21, because in the pandemic you are getting these benefits. Even for 2021 batch also, no, these people also got so many offers. Okay, few students are having 3 to 4 offers from various company, because this Infosys, Capgemini, okay, and Cognizant, whoever cracked Cognizant, then Accenture, ये सब कंपनी में क्या हुआ है, those who are cracked their online test, जिनका online test हुआ है, okay, those who are cleared the online test, सब लोगों को मेल आया है इंटरव्यू का. Okay, and interview it was easy. Okay, interview is easy, so you can handle it. But in this particular actually, even in these companies, no, they won't ask any like hands-on code and all, hands-on coding and all, they won't ask, but they ask some logic of a program. Okay, but these companies you can handle easily. And but this time the persistent also, like they are not very much strict compared to the last year, as because they are recruiting this time. There are more candidates, I think around 4,000 candidates they are hiring this time. And even I have gone through the news, no, I think maybe आप लोगों को भी पता होगा, I think around 117 crore they paid, they I think they paid for one, means the building that. means that particular place or persistent campus. Okay, persistent company, I think they purchased one building, or I think that any campus, I think kitna 117 crore they paid, just that deal is happened, and that Deshpande, the CEO, chief, I think chief executive officer, persistent, he's a billionaire now, billionaire के list में है. The many projects, I think many projects are with the persistent, so that's why they are hiring more. Chances are there, so those who are still like preparing for the technical interview, focus on the topics, important topics, and prepare it well. Vallabh, I have received HR assessment and attempted it. What are the chances of? Yeah, Vallabh, I can say you are selected, but you just wait it. Okay, you are 99% 9% you are selected. Just you wait for the confirmation, and sometimes if you are provided some inappropriate response, you may get a second chance also. I think some students are they got second time to appear for the HR. It is depend. सेकेंड टाइम भी आया था उनको, एक बार HR असेसमेंट अपीयर होने के बाद भी सेकेंड टाइम भी आया था. If you get a second time, no, then you that also you attempt it. Bhavesh, is there anyone who did not got mail for interview? Yeah, there are 1% students are there. There are some students are there. After the HR assessment, no, after the HR assessment उनको mail आया नहीं. After the HR assessment, not received any mail. There are some students are there. I think in my video chat box, in the comment box only, there are few students who are mentioned. ऐसा हुआ है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स उन्होंने HR असेसमेंट अटेंड किया है, बट उनको फाइनल मींस सिलेक्शन मेल आया नहीं. So means while attempting the questions, you have to read carefully which type of pattern questions. Yes, भावेश, it is very easy. आप क्या करो, geeks for geeks में नहीं तो गूगल में टाइप करो. वो क्या होता है, द पैटर्न को चेंज करते हो. सपोज अभी आपको ऐसा पूछा, सपोज ये पैटर्न, ओके, आपने ये पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न सॉल्व किया ना, तो बाद में क्या बोलते हैं, ये पैटर्न करो बोलते हैं. ओके, तो इट इज डिपेंड. तो आपको सब पैटर्न का ये मालूम रहना चाहिए, लॉजिक. Okay, which type of pattern question है तो okay. Then Pramod, any upcoming internship program for Amazon, Oracle which offers pre-placement? Yeah, internship program. I'm not. I don't have any idea for Amazon, Oracle. I think Goldman का एक था. I think आपके बैच के लिए Goldman Sachs. And persistent they are providing. Okay, then internship. Even actually there is one website, AICT का एक website है, AICT internship. In that also you can look it. There are some, and also no, the thing is no, for internships and all, suppose suppose if you have any connect with your seniors or आपके relative में if someone is there, then you can request for the internships also. Or there are, you just search it in the internet, there are some paid internships you will get. Paid internships, okay, paid internships also you will get. And you can approach to your TPO also. Okay, if possible, no, they will connect you to some company. Suppose if you want to work to get any internships, you just contact to TPO, and because they are having the contact with the HR of the company, so they may arrange. And also You try to search it in the Google, like internships opportunity and all, and even through internship also. It is depend upon your profile. It is depend upon your profile. They will filter. Okay, to get the internship, you should have some skills. Okay, or if you have done any project and it is available in the GitHub or in public platform, तो ऐसा कुछ आपका strong ये रहा skill, then definitely you will get through LinkedIn and all. You can search it. It is very good platform. LinkedIn से भी आपको मिल जाएगा. आपको search करना पड़ेगा. Okay, you will get a paid internship, हाँ. You will get, because if you have the skill, no, definitely you will get paid internship मिलेगा आपको. Internship is compulsory. No, internship in persistent, it is not compulsory. It is depend upon the college policy. Suppose if the college policy means if they allow, because now your internship may be work from home only. Okay, maybe work from home. Because as most of the people they are working from home, internship also they will provide, and maybe college will allow for the this particular internship. So the chances are there, and it is not a compulsory. It is up to you. I think they are paying 10,000, and but if you go with this internship, no, that you can explore some new technology, or you will interact with your team members. That is very important. Interaction. You will get some whatever the task they provide. You will learn some new things, because academic project is different. Whatever the project that you do with your friends, academic project is different, and the industry projects are different. So it is depend upon how you take that opportunity. Anmol Kumar, tomorrow is my interview, give me some last minute tips. Okay, Anmol, see, the first question that you just prepare well, that tell me about yourself, and revise some oops concepts. Try to explain the oops concepts. Now you just revise it, all the concepts whatever you have gone through, the C and data structure. Okay, and hands-on coding, some just you don't start from any new concepts. Now just you revise the concepts, that's all. And if possible, you can discuss with your friends also. Discuss means try to explain like some data structure concepts. Okay, and don't ask to others also, means you can ask your friends, like suppose if your interview is like on 11 a.m. और कोई तो अभी 9 a.m. Okay, you take it some positive questions only, like उनको just पूछो क्या क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे थे, you just ask them. Okay, and even if this particular person, if you get some irrelevant question or some difficult question, वो क्वेश्चन से आप पैनिक नहीं होना चाहिए. The interviewer may be different. For this person the interview is different, and for you the interview is different. Okay, so you just revise it, and don't study now from the scratch. कुछ scratch से okay, you just revise it. एक बार ऐसे ही revise कर लो, revision. And if possible, no, what you do, you can just record in Google Meet and all. I think in Zoom option, in Zoom Meet, no, in Zoom Meet, you are having a recording option. Okay, recording options are there, and in my videos I think some of the questions are there. You try to list out some questions, और वो questions का आप आंसर करो. You answer those questions, और ये Zoom Meet में ना रिकॉर्ड करो. Okay, you list out some questions. See, common questions are there. most of the students, they got the same type of questions as just I think Ria in this chart she mentioned like some like to find the second largest salary. Okay, ऐसे query लिखने का. Okay, और पैटर्न टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वही आपको भी वही आएगा. उसमें थोड़ा अभी सेकंड लार्जेस्ट है, ही में आस्क थर्ड लार्जेस्ट. तो ऐसा फिक्स नहीं रहता. इट इज अप टू यू हाउ यू रेस्पॉन्ड. ओके, एंड जस्ट थिंक दैट योर एफर्ट शुड बी देयर. आपका एक ये रहना चाहिए कि मुझे ये कंपनी में जाना ही है. ओके दैट ओके, क्योंकि यू शुड नॉट थिंक लाइक नहीं ये अभी ये नहीं तो और एक रहेगा, ऐसा आप दिमाग में मत डालो. दैट विल बी देयर. परसिस्टेंट नहीं तो आपको दूसरा है, बट there is some little difference is there. Okay, you just attempt that it is your last company. आप ऐसा अटेम्प्ट करो कि ये मेरा लास्ट कंपनी है. ओके, वो एफर्ट आपके तरफ से रहना चाहिए. ओके, इट शुड नॉट बी ए कैजुअल, इट इज अ प्रोफेशनल. मीन्स आप ऐसा अटेम्प्ट करो कि इट इज योर लास्ट कंपनी. ओके, एंड वो अटेम्प्ट करने के बाद यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट selection or rejection. It is depend upon your luck and the interviewer. Okay, you have to accept both. but आपका एक दिमाग में रहना चाहिए कि आपने कुछ तो सीखा, कुछ तो एफर्ट डाला है. you should have. okay, आपने कुछ तो एफर्ट डाला है. you learned some new things. वो आपको ये होना चाहिए. okay, either selection or rejection. जब तक कोई ज्वाइन नहीं करता ना, कुछ गारंटी नहीं रहता. जब तक आपका बी खत्म होने के बाद जब ज्वाइन करते हो ना, तब तक किसी का कुछ गारंटी नहीं रहता. ओके, इट इज नॉट ए गवर्नमेंट जॉब. ओके, सो you attend from your side with full effort. रिजेक्शन सिलेक्शन जो भी है, इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन योर इंटरव्यूअर, आपका लक. okay, if you are rejected, just think that there is something best is waiting for you. But every interview you just attempt like it is my last attempt. Okay, Karthik, I got a selection mail from the persistent. So there is one link that we have to fill for offer letter. So how much it will take for the offer letter? Yeah, actually 2 to 3 days. In few students, they got the offer letter in 2 to 3 days. It is depend on college. Okay, in our college students today only they received, few students received the offer letter. So it is depend on college. Okay, it depend upon the college. If you are received means it is, don't worry, you will get the offer letter. Jatin, I'm doing an internship in a startup and have quite experience working in JavaScript, TypeScript. Will it be helpful in persistent interview? But I'm not good with the core subjects. Yes, it is depend on you, Jatin. ये कैसा है, आप इंटरव्यू को कैसे लेके जाते हो, that is there. See, in your introduction, tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Okay, suppose if you are diverted your topic, या आपने कुछ ऐसा बताया कि you have some experience on JavaScript, ऐसे कुछ आपने आपके ऊपर है how you take the interviewer. Suppose suppose if they asked you to just explain your project or any internship or project, you start to explain and don't stop till he asks you to stop. Okay, you try to explain from basic, okay, end to end, whatever that project detail is there, you try to explain in detail so that you'll spend most of the time on that particular thing. Okay, and core Java, because see this skill is required now. At the end you are working on these technology only. and it is up to you how you take your interviewer to your side. अभी जब आप स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए स्टार्ट करते हो, देन उसके ऊपर और क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, वो एक्सप्लेन किया तो उसके ऊपर और क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. So how you handle those questions? Okay, so it is depend upon the you, and core subjects mean at least some basic concepts you should have. Okay, like arrays, stack, operation. Okay, some basic concept that you can revise it. And suppose if you have such experience, no, that is, it is up to you, because how you explain, how you okay. So it is you consider this as a positive point, like you are having some experience, because most of the students, know, they are like they do the training and not experience. वो क्या करते हैं, they go to some training on ML, or training on some technology, and they consider as a internship. But you are having some experience on JavaScript, TypeScript and all, means it is good thing. You have to how how you explain, it is depend on you. So at least some basic knowledge like CPP, at least some simple programs you should be able to do, because no, it depends on like in the means in the job. Okay, you should have the knowledge of Java, C and all, CPP, the object oriented concepts. Some basic concepts you should know. Yes, Karan Yadav, internship is not compulsory and persistent. It is depend upon the college. Some colleges they won't allow, but in this pandemic, maybe from work from home opportunity, maybe they will allow, because it is benefit for college also. There is some benefit is there college. So college will show that our students are having a paid internship. Our students are having a paid internship. So it is benefit to the college also. So you should go with that. You try to request, and definitely they will allow. Pritin, Pritin, Prith. The internship will occur in Nagpur as mentioned in the mail, or from home, because in the I think see in the even I think I read in the newspaper also, and I think Nagpur again there is cases are increasing. Okay, so maybe they won't take that much risk. I think it may be work from home only. Maybe 99%. 99% maybe it is a work from home. Anmol Kumar. Yeah. Shubham, will they reschedule interview? Yes, reschedule. When they reschedule means if there is a problem from their side, उनके तरफ से कुछ problem हुआ, problem from their side, or suppose like suppose if there is any audio problem, or if the interviewer is busy, they won't join. Sometimes what happens, no, like आप suppose आपका 3:30 को interview है, so you are joining some 5-10 minutes of before you are joining. Okay, but they won't join till 4 p.m. 4 आप ऐसे ही वेट करते रहते हो. Okay, maybe due to some busy, maybe due to some personal problem. Okay, suppose if they are not joined during the interview, definitely 100% they will reschedule. 100% they will reschedule. But what you have to do, you have to communicate to your TPO. आप आपके TPO को कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा थ्रू मेल. ओके, थ्रू मेल कम्युनिकेशन. तो एक प्रूफ रहता है कि आपने 3:30 को आप रेडी थे, but interviewer is not joined, or some audio problem happened, or some video problem. Okay, and sometimes no, we actually some students even they faced a problem like uh, so while during the interview, through his laptop. Okay, through his laptop, the video was clear. Video was clear, but there is a audio problem. So that time the interviewer, they suggest, because you will be panic that time. Okay, interviewer, they will suggest you some options like you can join through mobile, join through the mobile for communication. आपका वीडियो इसमें रहेगा, आपका वीडियो लैपटॉप में दिखेगा, आप यहाँ म्यूट करोगे, आपका ऑडियो बंद रहेगा यहाँ, और मोबाइल के थ्रू आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट इज हैपेंड. Mobile through you are communicating and your video is visible here, if suppose in such cases. Okay, and try to, like, you just take care of your dress code and all. Dress code, and there should not be any noise. Okay, there should not be any noise from your side. कोई disturbance नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, you just inform to your family members, friends that you are having an interview. Okay, and 100% they will reschedule, but कैसा आप you need to communicate to your TPO. Ashraf Sheikh, I got selected for higher package, but what if what if technical round does not go well? अच्छा, आप higher package meant I think you are selected for 7.5, I guess 7.5 LPA के लिए you are appearing the interview for 7.5. So इसमें आप रिजेक्ट हो गए तो okay, so some cases happened like नहीं, केसेस कैसे हुए थे, लाइक सपोज 4.71 के लिए सेलेक्ट हो गए, सपोज ये पर्सन, इन्होंने यहाँ सेलेक्ट हो गए थे, ये पर्टिकुलर उन्होंने क्रैक किया, उसके बाद 7.5 का उन्होंने टेस्ट, हियर आल्सो ऑनलाइन टेस्ट असेसमेंट, हियर आल्सो ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट, ये 7.5 करने के बाद यहाँ कुछ लोग क्रैक नहीं किए, मीन्स ऑनलाइन टेस्ट. ओके, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट कुछ लोगों ने किया नहीं. ओके, यहाँ जो लाइक यहाँ जो क्रैक किया था, ये जो बेस पैकेज का जो है, इनको इंटरव्यू का चांस मिला. ओके, ये केस में क्या हुआ था, ये पर्टिकुलर ये स्टूडेंट है, इसने 7.51 क्रैक किया, उसके बाद उसको एक चांस मिला 7.5 का, और ये ऑनलाइन में उसका रिजेक्ट हो गया, मीन्स ही इज नॉट एबल टू क्रैक दैट ऑनलाइन टेस्ट. तो इसको इंटरव्यू नहीं आया. ओके, इसको इंटरव्यू नहीं आया, बेस पैकेज भी गया, ये भी गया, बट आपने क्या किया है, आपने क्रॉस किया है, आपने ये राउंड क्रॉस किया है. आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, आपने यहाँ क्रैक किया है और आपने यहाँ टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू के लिए वेट कर रहे हो. ओके, सो टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू सेम रहता है, ये जो बेस पैकेज का इंटरव्यू और टेक्निकल, देयर इज नो मच डिफरेंस. तो यू कैन डू इट. ओके, देयर इज नो मच डिफरेंस, वही इंटरव्यू रहता है. ओके, you can do it, there is no such difficulty. आपने आई थिंक इफ आई एम करेक्ट, आपने ये क्रॉस किया है और ये टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू के लिए, यस, तो आपका 99% चांस है. अशरफ, आप क्या करो, जस्ट हैंड्स ऑन, सेम रहेगा लेवल, कुछ ये नहीं, बेस पैकेज और हायर पैकेज का कुछ ये नहीं है. ओके, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं, इंटरव्यू में देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. ओके, आप क्या करो, जस्ट प्रिपेयर विल, और आपके दिमाग से निकाल दो कि हायर पैकेज है तो डिफिकल्ट रहेगा. यू जस्ट रिमूव फ्रॉम योर माइंड. ओके, ऐसा डिफिकल्ट रहेगा बोल के आप सोचो ही मत. You are attending an interview, that's all. Okay, so don't think about it is a difficult. It is difficult, एक थोड़ा रहेगा, but you don't think that you attempt that particular interview. Okay, definitely you got some best chance. 7.5 का chance मिला है, तो it is up to you how you catch it. Okay, don't lose this one. 7.5 मीन्स एटलीस्ट आपके हाथ में एटलीस्ट 50 to 55 हाथ में आएगा. ओके, इट इज गुड अमाउंट फॉर प्रेशर. सो डोंट मिस दिस चांस. एंड सपोज आपके पास टाइम रहेगा, अशरफ, go for 3 to 4 mock interview. You request your project guide or any senior. लास्ट में कोई नहीं मिला तो आपको फ्रेंड को बोलो टू टेक ए इंटरव्यू. ओके, तो वो क्या होता है, आपका एक नर्वसनेस जाता है. आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते हो. ओके, हाउ यू एक्सप्लेन, सो डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प. शशांक, what topics should we mean for the interview process in technical interview? Yeah, it is very common. Actually क्या हुआ है, most of the people, I think they are even mentioned in the chart. Okay, like oops concept तो ये रहेगा ही, pillars of oops concepts. Data structure concepts like stack, queue, array, list. Okay, oops concept में inheritance, polymorphism, वो थोड़ा ऐसे विद जनरल एग्जांपल ही करना पड़ेगा. एंड समटाइम्स दे यूज टू, ये देख, दो तीन तो ये रहेगा, 2 to 3 हैंड्स ऑन कोड रहेगा. इट विल बी सिंपल. ओके, सिंपल रहेगा, बट यू हैव टू, यू शुड हैव दैट सम बेसिक स्किल, प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल. ओके, एक्चुअली वही ये इसका जो परसिस्टेंट का जो इंटरव्यू में जो डिफरेंस है ना, इफ आई कंपेयर विद द अदर कंपनी नाउ इन इन्फोसिस एंड ऑल, इन्फोसिस, टीसीएस, इसमें क्या होता है, इंटरव्यू दे चेक, दे मेनली फोकस ऑन द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. They mainly focus on communication skills. Okay, like the questions on project and some favorite subject, like they ask which is your favorite subject. It is like a time pass. आप वो क्वेश्चन को कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो, कैसे आंसर देते हो, इट इज डिपेंड ऑन यू. बट मेन वहाँ क्या रहता है आपका टारगेट, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. बट परसिस्टेंट नो, दे चेक फॉर some your coding skills. Okay, hands on check करते हो coding skills and some basic core concepts. With this what happen, no, they in the training period depend upon the project, वो आपको कहीं भी डाल सकते हैं, like projects on Python or Java, .NET. ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं, आपको पूछ के नहीं डालते कि आप इसमें जाओगे क्या, इसमें जाओगे, आपको पूछते नहीं हो, बिकॉज यू आर ए फ्रेशर. ओके, फ्रेशर को कैसे भी यूज कर लेते हो. देख, दे वोंट आस्क यू तुमको ये चाहिए क्या, ये चाहिए, दे वोंट आस्क, दे विल जस्ट यूटिलाइज, बिकॉज आप कहीं भी फिट होते हो. यू आर ए फ्रेशर, you will be fit in any technology because they are providing training from the experts. I heard it was very satisfactory training, and most of the students, they liked the training from the experts. Okay, so most of the people, they are appreciated, like they liked the training in persistent. ओके, शशांक, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के कॉन्सेप्ट्स देखो थोड़ा, और समटाइम्स नो वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी पूछ सकता है. स्टैक इम्प्लीमेंट करो, अरेज इम्प्लीमेंट करो, लिस्ट. ओके, So it is depend. Hmm. Okay, so if you have any questions, you just try to put it in the comment box. So definitely, huh, you are because most of the I think most of the students are already gone through the persistent. Definitely, they will answer, because here in the chat I can see a few students, they help, because sharing the knowledge, no, that will help to improve our knowledge. Sharing knowledge is very important, as like Ria and Hitesh, Promos, they everyone, like those who are participated in the chat, I think they shared their experience. See, क्या होता है, sharing the experience that will help to others, okay, and also like our skill also, it improves. So you should share the knowledge, okay, and don't think like भी उसका हुआ इसका हुआ. Everyone will get an opportunity, but you should be practice चाहिए. Without practice it is very difficult, because to do hands on coding, it is not a one day job. आप डायरेक्टली आपको ये हैंड्स ऑन एक कोड करके दिखाओ बोले तो इट इज नॉट ए वन डे टास्क. ओके, सो यू पीपल कैन डू इट. सो प्रैक्टिस, एफर्ट रहना चाहिए, थोड़ा एफर्ट प्रैक्टिस रहा तो होता है. इज एचआर असेसमेंट इज द फाइनल राउंड? या, एचआर असेसमेंट, ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट इज देयर, नो, दैट इज अ एचआर असेसमेंट राउंड, it is final. Okay, HR assessment is the final, and based upon your response, they will select final selection list. They will send to your TPO को भी send करते हैं, and also they will mail to the candidate. They will mail to the candidate. Okay. Okay, guys. So with this, we'll end this session, and you just put it in the chat box, so that others, those who have gone through the process, they will answer. Thank you.